What's up, YouTube? Here's a Hunter Builder, my hotel room. It's from 2017. Here's a lot. Here's the menu. And one of the screws is not in the blade irons properly, so it does scrape on high. Kind of have to hit it back into place, but it always kind of bends back. This is in a Great Wolf Lodge in Cincinnati, Ohio. Fan collector Ryan Griswold, or Brian Finafan 17, has stayed here before. And here's high speed. It's gonna scrape. So yeah, it's pretty loud. It's annoying. So maintenance is probably gonna have to do this one. Not moving much air at all. Pretty annoying. It's not that fast either. Yeah. Whoever installed this did not do it right. So yeah, thanks for watching.